How to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay with Apple Pay. So to buy a Bitcoin on Moonpay with Apple Pay, you have to follow the steps which you can see on the screen. First of all, you have to open Moonpay mobile application or you have to visit this Moonpay website. So this is a Moonpay website and you have to create an account here. So to create an account, click on sign up. If you have already created your account, then just click on login, right? It's very easy to do it. Now, once you have opened this mobile application or website of Moonpay, just select Bitcoin, right? So whichever cryptocurrency, right now I'm just going to show you the Bitcoin. So just select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Moonpay support various cryptocurrencies, so you can choose Bitcoin very easily. Now here you have to enter the purchase amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in your local currency. It could be in USDT or whatever your local currency. Moonpay provide a conversion tool that help you to calculate the equivalent amount of Bitcoin based on your local currency. Now provide a wallet address. Enter the Bitcoin wallet address where you want to receive the purchased Bitcoin. Ensure that you provide the correct wallet address as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. So make sure you just follow this. Now here you have to verify the identity. Complete the identity verification process required by Moonpay. It will ask your personal information such as your name, address, email, phone number, or it could also ask a government identity too. Now, once you have verified, choose Apple Pay as your payment method to pay for Bitcoin purchase. As you know, Moonpay allow Apple Pay, so ensure that Apple Pay's account is linked to a valid payment method such as credit or debit card. Then only you will able to use it. Now here you can just easily purchase the Bitcoin by using that Apple Pay in the Moonpay. Review the transaction detail. Make sure you just authenticate with the confirmation the purchase. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Apple Pay. Follow the on-screen instruction. For example, you have to add your Apple Pay credentials such as Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, right? Now you have to wait for confirmation, which take around max to max 5 minutes. You will get an email in your email address too, as well as notification on the Moonpay. Now everything is done. Check your Bitcoin wallet or refresh the page of your Bitcoin wallet and check that the purchase has been successfully deposited in your wallet. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.